Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, my name's Maggie. Today I want to share with you guys a delicious vegan recipe. I know I kind of haven't been posting a lot of recipes, but I just haven't been really wanting to take out the camera while I'm chopping up veggies and making a soup or casserole or something like that. Sometimes you just want to make a dish and make it quick with like 1, 2, 3 and not have to go with the whole thing of filming it from this angle and this angle. But anyways, I am doing that today, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Today I'm going to be showing you a quick recipe for a easy, delicious breakfast idea. And this is very simple with just a few ingredients, and your main ingredients are some type of plant milk. Here I actually used oat milk. It's one of my recent favorites. Some leftover bread, and I actually prefer to have leftover bread for this recipe. Some cinnamon, some flax seeds, and I like them to be grounded, and as well as some chia seeds. I'm gonna go ahead and make sure I have everything listed for you guys in the description, so it's gonna be that much easier for you just to follow through. And yeah, and use the oven for 15 to 20 minutes and you have yourself a delicious breakfast. And I'm sure that it's going to be great for kids, for college students, and just about anyone in between. So without further ado, let's get to it and let's share my recipe of the day.
On your neck, don't stand up, did I do it right? And if my phone don't buzz when the morning comes, did you spend the night? Well, I'm alright, still might try, What if I spend the night one more time? That song I love don't speak to you like it does to me. And if I'm not insane, then I'll say goodbye so carefully. 'Cause I'm alright, still might try. What if I spend the night one more time? Love's on the back of my mind,
So that is the recipe of the day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do end up trying it, just let me know how it tastes, what you liked about it, what you didn't like about it, and just overall your opinion on it. I'd love to hear from you guys. But nevertheless, I'm gonna go ahead and conclude the video there. So if you like this video, you know what to do. Click that like button and share it with a friend. But I'm gonna go ahead and conclude the video there. So I hope you guys have an amazing day, amazing night, wherever you are in this world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.